How to create monthly score in Excel. This is a result. First, click on cell A1 and enter monthly score of student SOM and SOC. Next, format on cell font and color and font size. After A10, type to show beneficiary ID of student. And next cell type student name. And cell C10 type gender. Next cell type school. This cell display class. After type English typing score. For the criteria I set 20%. Next attendance and score I set 30%. Next cell show participation score and I set the criteria is 10%. And homework I set 10%. And last is quick and the criteria 30%. Next, show total score on K column. After cell is display the average score. Next cell shows rank. And last to show result pass and fail. Next, click on this cell and enter student ID. After, enter the student name. Next, enter the gender. After, enter school of student. And on column F, show student class. Next, I need to show the student score in cell. These are of the student score. After, I hold select the cells and insert table. Click Insert tab. And click on Table. Ready, click OK. Next, calculate total score of student. Press equals and sum function. And click on English typing and times 0.2 and comma. After, click attendance score and times 0.3 and comma. Next, click on participation and times 0.1 and comma. After click on Homework cell n times 0.1 n comma. The last click on Quiz cell n times 0.3. And close parentheses and enter. Next calculate average score. Press equals and type average. Next hold selects the criteria and close parentheses and enter. After, show the rank result. Rank.EQ is function that show result of student number 1, 2 or 3. OK, click on cell. Press equals and type Rank.EQ function. Next click on the top average score. And comma and hold select cell of the average score. Close parentheses and enter. The last find the result of student ranking. First equals and use if-s function. The one criteria if the student score is greater than 90 the result is a. The two criteria if the student score is greater than 80 the result is b. The three criteria if the student score is greater than 70 the result is c. The four criteria if the student score is greater than 60 the result is d. The five criteria if the student score is greater than and equal 50 the result is e. The last criteria if the student score is less than 50 the result is f. This result is failed. OK, close parentheses and enter. Now total, average, rank and result is showing result on cell. Cell failed this exam. First select the student list. And click on Conditional Formatting. Choose New Rule. And click on Use the formula. Click Inbox and click on this cell. Remove the $sign and press equals. Press double quote and type letter F. And close double quote. After click Format and choose Font color is white. Next click Fill and choose red color. Next click OK. Click OK again. OK, there are 2 students are failed in this exam. Find the total student. After press equals and use CountA function. And hold select all name of student. And close parentheses and enter. OK, the results show 23 students in list. Next format the number. After find male and female. Now enter text male and female in cells. First, display member for male. Press equals and type Countif function. Hold select all student gender. And press comma. After type letter M in double quote. Close parentheses and OK. OK, the result on cell is 22 students are male. Next, show female. Click on cell and press equals. Next, use Countif. Hold select student gender. Comma and type letter F in the double quote. Close parentheses and enter. The outcome show 1 in cell is correct. Next step, show the result member of student on this cell. Type the text result and ranking of student. OK, let's count. Got the result. Now press equals and use Countif function. Next, hold select the student's result and comma. After click on this cell. It's mean that if the result if match with any letter, it will show member of student. OK, press enter. Next, click on this point and hold down. OK, the number of students result is showing on cells. Next, set the underline below cell. Next, find max and min of student score. First, show max and min on cells. After, display max number of student score. Press equals on this cell. And type max function. Select all the student of the average score. Close parentheses and enter. OK, here is the higher of student score. Next, show min of student score. Press equals and type min function. Select all the student of the average score. Close parentheses and enter. OK, here is the lowest of student score. Next, format texts bold. After, hide the grid line. Click on View. And uncheck this box. Now the grid line removed from cell. Next step, creates chart of the student's result. OK, select on these cells and click on Insert. Next, click on Style Chart. And click on Title to delete because I don't need it. And click this point to resize chart. I move and keeping here. Next, display chart max and min of student score. OK, select on these cells and click on Insert. Next, click on Style Chart. And click on Title to delete because I don't need it. And click this point to resize chart. After, click on Chart. And go to Chart Design and click Add Chart. Next, click Data Labels. And choose this style to show number on bar chart. Next, set to print one page. Click on Page Layout. And choose one page and one page the same. Next, click on File and click on Print. The default of paper is Portrait. If you want to change orientation of page, just click on this button and choose Landscape. Now how to create monthly score in Excel is done.